male and female urinary catheter. This is the male genital organ, and this is female genital organ. You all know this is the vagina and this is the urethral opening. You can attach this genital to this model. So it is दोन्ही आपल्याला वी कॅन दोन्ही आपल्याला ह्याच्यामध्ये हे असं आपल्याला व्यवस्थित हे मॉडेल बसतं. देन वरच्या साईडनी फिमेल युरेथ्रा असते, त्याला वेल लुब्रिकेट करून घ्यायचं आणि लुब्रिकेशन नंतर यू कॅन लुब्रिकेट इट. सो आफ्टर लुब्रिकेशन you can use this same way we have to you can done catheterization for male urethra also. So female urethra is short and male urethra is long, so you have to insert the catheter up to this junction. Then you have to insert the bulb. Push the jelly inside the urethra, especially in male urethra. You have to push xylocaine jelly, and then well lubricated under aseptic precaution. You have to catheterize the patient. So. In case of enlargement of prostate or stricture urethra or bladder neck obstruction, you can't pass the catheter. In that condition, you have to take suprapubic catheter.